Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna describe the door lock of front load automatic washing machine. Remember this is door lock of front load automatic washing machine, because in a top load washing machines we don't need to the requirement of door lock, because the water is lying in a gravity position, so they don't spill out. So there's no door lock mechanism in top load washing machines, but in a front load washing machine, since the water is fill up and to the bottom, so you must have to lock your machine so that water cannot come out. Okay, so most of the time if you see that your machine is giving you the error of DE, that's the door error. So if you are coming across the problem, or you're facing the problem of DE, so the problem could be with your this device. So it could be different in the construction, but the working principle will remain the same. So don't afraid about its construction or its sizing, but the working principle will remain the same. So in a normal position, here we have the three connections. This is actually the coil, which is the solenoid coil, and we are supplying with 220 volts. So once we supply the 220 volts, this mechanism is energized. So here you can see in this here, once we supply the voltage across the coil, this coil is energized and this gets moved towards the backward. So in that case, the probe of the door comes here, and if remember, assume that this is the movement of your door. So if your door comes here and something is pushed towards the backward, like if some force is coming across and it's moving backward, so this thing will be locked. So here's the mechanism. Like here you can see it has been locked. So the basic principle is of this solenoid. So once you are getting the voltage across these terminals, your coil is energized. One more important thing, that here we have the three terminals, but we need the two terminals to energize the coil. The third one is the feedback signal. So once the coil is energized, it sends signals to the microcontroller or to the controller of the washing machine that your door has been locked. So if this terminal is not working, if your coil, you see that you can check it by applying the direct voltages here. So if I'm able to zoom it, here you can see there are three terminals, at 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here we can see the terminal points 1, 3, 2 and 4. The fourth one is not going to. In some cases we do have the 4 terminal as well in some switches, in some door locks, but in this case we have only 3 terminals. So 2 are for live, neutral, and third one is for the feedback signal. And here the description is also given in over the coil, so you can get it from their construction, from their body as well. So details are given everywhere, but in a simple description I have told you that this door lock is used to lock the door, and the voltages are applied over here, the solenoid coil is energized, and in that case your door is locked. So in case of DE, you must have to check that either once the voltages are applied, your coil is moving or not. So question is that how you can check it. Apply 220 voltages direct over here, but be careful because there are the live voltages, and if you don't have experience of troubleshooting such kind of things, don't try at home, because 220 voltages are subjected to the electrical shock, so be careful. And once you apply the voltages here, this coil will energize and this mechanism will move. So if you are getting the movement of this coil once you're applying the direct voltages here, so it's mean your this mechanism is good enough. So in that case you should check the signal. Either you are getting signal here from the controller, or either and if you are getting the signal here and you are not getting the problem solved, so it's mean the problem could be with the feedback signal. So there could be another possibilities, but before troubleshooting the DE error, you must know that how this device works. Thank you very much for watching this video.